Welcome back to Timeline Ranch. I haven't done a what's for dinner at the ranch video in a while, so I figured I'd do one. Here we are at an old trusty homemade barbecue pit. And I've got pork rump roast cut into indiscernible pieces, but as long as I don't fall through the grill, I'm happy. About time to flip them. Apparently that's the hot spot right there. Got my heat exchanger going, heating up some shower water. Got the Christmas tree on to give it that Christmas feel. So if you haven't seen, if you're new to the channel, I've got a copper coil inside this pit. So as I barbecue, I can heat my shower water. I'll show you the behind the scenes on it. This is in my little restroom, outhouse shower building. So it's just got a little cheap. I think these pumps are $5. There's two PEX lines right there and there that go underground, make that loop in the pit, and then come back and dump in the top of the water barrel. This is all gravity feed system. I've got some dump valves there. For when I'll get it to the temperature that I want, I'll shut off the water supply to it, open those dump valves, and then blow air through it to get all the water out of the coil, because it'll just keep heating until it, blows the line. But that's a little simple system I got, but it works pretty good. Let's see what temperature. So this is the water going into it. I don't know if you can see it. We got it's at 81. And this is coming off of the heat exchanger. It's about 10 degrees warmer. This is the water coming from the tank back down. About 87, 86. You gotta keep an eye on it though, because it'll heat it up well past what you want it to be. We'll see if Sparky shows up tonight. He's been pretty spot on every night. About the time that you can't see the mountain line there anymore. The sun going down. Well, sounds like I need to put a little water on my fire. It's getting too hot. Looking good. These are just about done. I'm going to throw on a pot of some cut green beans. Nice and calm today for the most part. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty windy. There's our tree cholla cactus. Turned into a Christmas tree. I think it served a purpose. Tomorrow's supposed to be 45-mile-an-hour gust and 15 to 20-mile-an-hour sustained wind, so it's gonna be pretty windy. That's a nice night. Clear skies. The ranch is in a good location for stargazing. No city lights around here. Alright, so our water temperature is where we want it. Close to 100. And you can see the temperature on the returns. About the same because I've got the fire cooled way down. I was going to show you how to dump the heat exchanger loop. So I've got a air tank here. It's got, you know, full of air, and I've just got a hose. This male end fits inside that 1/2-inch PEX pretty good. Right there. I'm going to stick it in that side of the dump on the loop. We turn off the pump. Shut the supply and the return. Open the other dump. Open this dump. And give it some air. That's it. I know I couldn't film it very good, but basically you just shoot air up this side, it goes through the loop and blows back out the other blowdown. And then later we're going to take a shower. This valve's turned on, and I'll turn on this other upper pump right here, and that'll just keep the temperature, because it's a gravity feed, you know, system, all the same in the barrel. If not, the bottom of the barrel's cold and the top's hot. Go back to see if my pork's burning on the grill. So I'm going to say the meat's pretty close. I'm going to say dinner's done. Well, there's a finished product. No Sparky tonight so far. Sparky's kangaroo rat, if you didn't know. I was going to feed him some goldfish crackers because he likes them, but he didn't show up yet. He'll probably be over here later tonight. Well, I guess that's it for dinner at the Timeline Ranch. See you on the next one.